How to install HDO Box on Android TV. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to install HDO Box APK on your Android TV. So to download or install HDO Box on Android TV, you will need to download the HDO Box APK file and then install it using a file manager or a download app, since it's not directly available on Google Play Store. So if you are using downloader app to actually download the HDO application, you can simply head over to the download app by installing it via Play Store, as it's available for free there, and it usually provides an option to install the downloaded file directly after the download is complete. So once you do all of that, I want you to head over to your Android TV settings and under this system, click on that, and from over here just click on this Android TV OS build, which will unlock you a developer mode after tapping it on for about 7 times. You might need to head over to the security and restrictions or security option on the Android TV and find unknown sources and enable it, and you might also need to enable it specifically for the app you will use it to install the APK, such as your downloader app or file manager, and you might as well provide a URL or source term or shortcode for that particular application and click on next. After that, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process will guide you through the remaining steps. You may need to grant the permission to install other apps, as I mentioned previously, and click on install. So once installed, you shall find your HDO box in your app list and launch the application and follow any on-screen instruction or setup steps. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.